In this video, I will take you through a detailed comparison between two powerhouses in the affordable smartwatch market, the Amazfit Bip 6 and the Amazfit Active Max. Both devices bring something unique to your wrist, but choosing the right one depends on your personal lifestyle and fitness goals. Starting with the display, the Bip 6 features a bright and clear screen that manages visibility well even under direct sunlight, while the Active Max pushes boundaries with a larger, more vibrant panel that makes reading notifications a breeze. When we talk about build quality, the Bip 6 keeps its classic lightweight charm, making it perfect for sleepers and runners who want to forget they are even wearing a watch. On the other hand, the Active Max feels a bit more robust and premium, offering a slightly more formal look that fits well in an office setting. Fitness tracking is where things get competitive, as both watches utilize the latest sensors for heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen levels accurately. However, the Active Max offers a few more specialized sports modes that might appeal to data nerds. Battery life remains a strength for both, lasting well over a week on a single charge.